Hallo my spesiale graad 2's. Today we are practicing our counting in Afrikaans. We're going to start with numbers from 1 to 20 and then we're going to practice counting in tens from 10 to 100. So in class we had started practicing counting from 1 to 10 in Afrikaans and now we're going to revise that and then go from 11 to 20. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to say the word first, boys and girls, and then we're going to say it together. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Well done, boys and girls. I'm sure all of you remember that. Now let's go through it a little bit quicker. We're going to count together. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, boys and girls. Now, for the numbers 11 to 20, I'm going to show you the number. I will say it, and then we're going to say it together, but in slow motion. Okay, so let's try. 11. So now we say it in slow motion. 11. Okay. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. 16. 16. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. 20. 20. Well done, boys and girls. So that's counting from 11 to 20. So let's go through it a little bit quicker this time, but together. So let's start. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now we can count from 1 to 20. But I would like you to try and learn counting in tens in Afrikaans too. So let's have a look. We start counting in tens at 10, but you know how to say 10 already, so I didn't put it there. So we start 10, then we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then lastly we have 100. Okay, boys and girls, so now with this you'll be able to count from 1 to 20 as well as counting in tens to 100. So please practice this every day.